In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to black screen in TeamViewer. This feature lets you hide the remote computer's display during a session so anyone near that screen can't see what you're doing. It's great for privacy and prevents onlookers from viewing sensitive information while you work. Start by opening the TeamViewer application on the computer you'll be controlling remotely. Make sure the app is up and running and that you have access to change its settings on that machine. Next, go into the app settings. Look for the gear icon, typically at the top of the main window. This is where all the configuration lives, and we'll make a quick change to prepare the black screen feature. Inside settings, find the advanced section. You'll see general options first. Keep an eye on the sidebar or the category list and choose advanced to reveal the deeper configuration area. This is where TeamViewer groups options that affect how a session behaves. Now open the advanced settings. There's usually a button or link labeled something like Open Advanced Settings or Show Advanced Options. Click that to expand the full list so we can access the privacy and input controls needed for a black screen. Scroll down until you find the options related to enabling a black screen. They sit alongside controls for keyboard and mouse input. Take your time here. Wording can vary slightly by version, but you're looking for the black screen toggle in the local input setting. Before you enable the black screen, first disable local input on the remote computer. Turn on the option that prevents someone at that machine from moving the mouse or typing during your session. This step is important because it pairs with the black screen to keep the session private and uninterrupted. With local input disabled, check the option to enable the black screen. This tells TeamViewer to blank out the remote monitor while you're connected, so only you, from your viewer side, can see what's happening. If the app shows an informational prompt, review it and proceed as appropriate so the setting takes effect. Finally, confirm your changes by clicking OK. This saves the configuration so it applies the next time you connect. From now on, when you start a remote session to this computer, the remote display will go dark and local input will be blocked, giving you a clean, private workspace. If you ever need to restore normal behavior, you can return here and uncheck those options.